Hi guys, how are you? I'm Sunil Kumar from Learn Maths with Sunil Kumar Anand. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how to add and subtract of integers. Without wasting our time, let's get started. This is my third videos of integers. Okay, addition and subtraction of integers. There is a important points. Same sign means you can see on the page, same sign means addition. Sign will be same. Same sign means plus plus or minus minus. When we add two positive integer which may either positive or negative, then we will add the numerals with sign. That is a very easy concept which can be used for solving in integers on this operation. In you can see examples, minus 4 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 12. What does it mean? 4 plus 8 you know very well, becomes 12, and sign will be minus. Similarly, plus 3 plus 9 is equal to plus 12. I repeat once again, same sign means addition, sign will be same. You can see sign will be same. With sign we will be add. Case number 2, in case of different sign means subtraction. Different sign means one is a positive, then other will be a negative integer, or other first is a negative integer and other will be positive integer. In case we take a difference of both numerals, and keep maximum value sign in the difference value. Let's take example, minus 8 plus 9. Minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 1. Here 9 is a greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. So 9 is a greater numeral. 9 is greater numeral of 8. So we have to put a maximum value sign. It means plus. Okay. Similarly, 4 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. How can it be written? You must remember this point. So first off, without looking the its sign, 4 subtract from 7, it becomes 3, and 7 is greater than 4. If 7 is greater than 4, then we have to put maximum value sign. It means minus 3. It means in case different sign, firstly we should forget the sign. Don't be focused on the sign. You have to keep in your mind, we need to take a difference of only numerals. Difference means subtraction, but we have to subtract minimum from maximum value, and we have to use maximum value sign in difference value. Okay, we look the other examples. Minus 9 plus 7. Here first is a negative integer and other is a positive. It means it is a case of 2. It is a case number 2. Then case number 2, we take subtraction accepting the sign. 7, 9 is greater than 7. 7 subtract from 9, it will be 2, and 9 is greater than 2. What is the sign of 2? Minus. We have to put minus sign in the resultant value. Minus 4 plus minus 6, it is the first case. Same sign. 4 plus 6, 10. With sign we put the same sign in case number first. Minus 11 plus 7, case number 2. In case of different sign, first is a negative, other is a positive. We take difference. 7 subtract from 11, 4, and we have to put maximum value sign. Which one is a greater? 11 is greater than 7. We need to put minus sign here. 11 plus minus 8 is equal to
3.
Son of integers, how to subtract, yeah, how to take a difference of two integer. In case we need to know what is the concept of additive inverse. What is the concept of additive inverse? My dear student, if the sum of any two number is equal to 0, they are called additive inverse. They are called additive inverse. You can see in just back of the page, the sum of any two number is 0, they are called additive inverse. For example, a, b are integers, a plus minus a is equal to 0. Obvious, a plus minus a is equal to 0. It means additive inverse of a is minus a and additive inverse of minus a plus a. How can you get it? It means a be an integer, then its additive inverse will be just negative of that number. We need to take a negative sign before that number. Okay, for example, additive inverse of a is equal to minus a. We put minus sign before that number, and additive inverse of minus a is equal to minus inside bracket minus, it is a negative integer. So negative integer, negative of negative integer will be positive, because opening the brackets sign must be changed, because it has a negative sign before that number. So whenever we open its bracket, sign will be changed. It will change oppositely, minus change into positive, plus a. What does follows that every positive integer has a negative, we, we take negative sign when we take its additive inverse, and additive inverse of negative integer will be positive integer. For example 4 is a numbers, additive inverse of 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus 9, additive inverse of minus 9 is equal to plus 9. Okay, now in case of difference, my dear student, subtraction of integer, let a be a, let a and b be two integers, thus a minus b is equal to a plus minus b. We may write, there is no need to calculate directly difference. It has to be converted into additional form. Additional form, you know very well how to add. I have learned about that, how to add two integers, any two integers. They may have, both are positive, either positive, negative, one is positive, one is negative, one is negative, other is positive. In all cases we can add very easily. Here, first of a minus b can be written a plus minus b. How could it be written? Minus change into positive, change into addition, it means positive, and we have to take additive inverse of b. The additive inverse of b is equal to minus. In other language we can say minus change into positive, and we take negative sign, it means this sign will be put uh, with b, minus b, a plus minus b. It can be converted into additional form. And if suppose number appears this type, a minus minus b is equal to a plus b. Okay, now let us take an example. 8 minus minus side of minus 9 is equal to 8 plus minus 9. This is a negative. First we need to change minus into positive sign, and minus 9, additive inverse of minus 9 is equal to plus 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. It means the difference, or we can say 8 minus minus 9 is equal to 17. This is our answer. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Share my videos. Thank you.